I'm not very good at wood carving, so let's just start carving and see what happens. My collection of hardwoods is rather abysmal, but anyway. I do have these pieces of birch, which are very small. That's probably all I need right there. That's more like a parrot now. That's better. Well, we're gonna start with bandsaw carving it as close as we can. It's not really that bad. I don't know. It could turn into a bird. We'll see. It can be pretty round looking still. Obviously, I'm completely flying by the seat of my pants with this one. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, that's really not that bad. It looks almost like it could be a bird. This is gonna be like the kryptonite to all hand tool people. All power tools, carving birds, belt sander, bandsaw. It's gonna be awesome. If this video gets like over like 100 views, I will be kind of shocked because like what? Who wants to watch this? And I don't know, it'll make it over 100 views. But it's fun, and I like filming it, and I like talking to people. Even though I'm not really talking to people, I'm just talking to a camera, but it feels like I'm talking to people. So that's good. Man, this birch is really easy to carve. It's perfect. From that sketch that I made to this, I think it looks great. That's one, and now we're going to work on 2 more because I found out from Sis that I need 2 more. And I also put wings on this one because it looks better with wings. So there you go. It's not exactly a how to carve, but it's close to a how to carve. Because there it is. I did it. And you watched me, so there you go. Now you can do it yourself, right? I'm going to try to copy this out. Okay, for not having an immediate direct comparison, that's pretty close. There's another one. Ain't it beautiful? They are pretty similar, but not exact. This was more of a cardinal pattern and smaller because the crest has to stick out, so not sure how it's going to work out, but we'll see. Fresh off the belt sander, it looks like this. Kind of like a cardinal. Cardinal. It doesn't balance very well. Thank you for watching this video. This is very out of the ordinary for me to make something that is completely useless besides decoration. And carving is also pretty rare for me. So thank you for watching this unusual video from Measure Once, Cut Twice. Please like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Cute.